एनीथिंग दैट वाज वंस ब्रोकन टर्न्स आउट टू बी मोर ब्यूटीफुल। और खास तौर पे अगर आप प्यार में टूटकर खुद को संभाल लेते हैं तो बेटर, स्ट्रॉन्गर और मोर ब्यूटीफुल बन पाते हैं। ऐसी ही कुछ कहानी है इंस्टेंट हिट वेब सीरीज ब्रोकन बट ब्यूटीफुल 3 की, जिसके बारे में और बात करने के लिए लीड एक्ट्रेस हमारे साथ इस वक्त हैं द वेरी टैलेंटेड ब्यूटीफुल एक्टर एंड डांसर सोनिया राठी, जिनको पंजाब केसरी या नवोदय टाइम्स में मैं बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ। वार्म वेलकम टू यू सोनिया।
Thank you so much for having me.
माय प्लेजर। एंड फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, आपका डिजिटल डेब्यू है और उसमें भी एक ऐसी सीरीज व्हिच बिकेम द हाईएस्ट रेटेड और हाईएस्ट वॉच्ड सीरीज। सो हाउ डज इट फील?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm still processing. It's incredible. You know, we work so hard and we try to make something that we are really proud of. लेकिन हमें कभी पता नहीं होता कि audience कैसे receive करेगी. And to have this kind of reaction, you know, I'm just overjoyed and very grateful.
करेक्ट। एंड बहुत अच्छे अच्छे रिव्यूज भी आई एम श्योर मिल रहे होंगे। सो व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ फीडबैक जो आपके पास आ रहा है, एंड वाज दैट समथिंग दैट यू वर एक्सपेक्टिंग, एंड हाउ डज इट मेक यू फील?
Well, I was expecting बहुत लोग रूमी को hate करते हैं, so I was expecting that. You know, she does go back and forth quite a few times, और बहुत लोगों का दिल भी दुखाती है, so I understand where people are coming from. But yeah, I mean, I've received so much support, so much good feedback, you know, and I was not necessarily expecting so much, to be honest. It's very, very sweet and very kind, and yeah, I'm happy that I could do whatever justice I could do to Rumi's character.
Okay. And talking about the series, since आपका digital debut है, so how did this happen to you, and what was the one thing instantly जो it made you decide कि ये मैंने करना है?
So actually, it was quite a normal audition process. So a casting agency reached out to me, and then I responded, लेकिन उनका जवाब नहीं आया.
Okay.
And I was like, यार, I know Broken 1, I know Broken 2, मुझे Broken 3 करना है. तो मैं बार बार उसको message करती गई. And then finally she let me do the audition, and I had 3 rounds of auditions. फिर Priyanka, my director, got on a Zoom meeting with me. फिर Rumi के बारे में बात हुई. And then I did my audition, and 2 weeks later I got the role, which was quite cool.
And the one thing that made you decide कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है?
Oh yeah, so हम काफी सारे auditions करते हैं as actors, right? And कभी-कभी there are certain auditions जहाँ पर आपको थोड़ा force से करना पड़ता है, and then there's some auditions where you're just like, yep, I got it, this is me, you know. And so उससे, like, from the audition I already felt this instant pull towards Rumi, and then I got to read the script, और फिर मैं मना ही नहीं कर सकती थी.
Okay, but considering that this has been a franchise, Broken but Beautiful, जो बहुत ज़्यादा hit हुई है, and a lot of people have obviously watched it, appreciate किया है. So कहीं did you feel a sense of pressure that you're going to be part of the third version of it? So there's a lot of expectation जो already build up हो चुकी है.
You know, there would have been, लेकिन मैं इतनी खुश थी और बहुत excited थी कि वो आया ही नहीं मन में. I mean, I obviously Harleen and Vikrant are incredible actors. I've seen both of the previous seasons, and yeah, I mean, following in their footsteps is cool. There's quite a lot of pressure. लेकिन the script is completely different, and director, everybody about the whole thing was different, and so उन्होंने भी ऐसा महसूस नहीं करवाया कि pressure आएगा या so it was quite natural.
Okay. And as you said that you'd seen the first and the second seasons, and you wanted to do this, and you wanted to be a part of it. So in a sense, did you kind of manifest this whole thing?
I kind of think I did. So actually my sister-in-law Anuja, future sister-in-law, sorry, she was in season 2. तो जब मैं इंडिया पहली बार आई, which was a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, तो उनका पोस्टर शूट चल रहा था. They had finished filming, and she had taken me with her on set just for a poster shoot, end of everything, and I got to see everyone, and मैंने मन में ठान ली थी कि अगर gosh मुझे बस ऐसा कुछ मिल जाए.
हाँ.
And then like fast forward a year later, and I think I kind of did manifest it.
Wow, that's so beautiful. It must have felt so nice, no? Finally, when you got to know कि आप season 3 का हिस्सा हैं.
Oh yeah, and I didn't believe it until I was on set.
Okay.
मैं फिल्म कर चुकी थी, फिर जाके I was like हाँ ठीक है, हाँ मैं इस
Finally, it's
सीजन
happening.
का हिस्सा हूँ.
Okay, but आपके character रूमी की बात करें, when I was watching the series, so I'm sure a lot of people would have said this to you. It started out with me actually siding with Rumi and feeling bad for her. कि भाई अरे she needs love, and she
Yeah.
needs somebody to love her with the same intensity that she wants. And then character graph काफी बदला है और काफी changes आए हैं. So how did you adapt to this whole shade? कभी dark हो रहा है, कभी she's on the nice side of life.
Yeah, I think at the end of the day, I had to understand where Rumi was coming from. So, like you had just mentioned, her need for love. So that is completely with Agastya. Agastya gives her pure love, and that is why she's always drawn towards him. जब भी कोई मुश्किल आती है, या whenever she's feeling down, she runs towards him. And Ishan, on the other hand, gives her acceptance. Like he's the only person that उसके साथ प्यार नहीं, उसके साथ वो it was just a means to an end really, and she was obsessed with that क्योंकि पूरी like her whole life that's all she wanted, right, was to feel accepted into that society, and that is what Ishan gave to her. So yeah, obviously there are moments where I'm playing it and I'm like, Rumi, you're being an idiot, but I definitely had to justify Rumi's choices in that way. And so all of the choices she was making, the back and forth, which was a lot. Chat time, that's too much. But yeah, there were definitely a lot of reasons for her to do that.
Okay, because by the end of when you're watching this whole series, you become so consumed as an as an audience also, that you're also sometimes questioning, "Are ye kyun aise kar rahi hai?" But
me too.
Yeah, but the beauty was in the end, when it came out that eventually your character, after being broken so much, probably is now thinking of building herself.
Yeah, exactly. And I think she finally, after this roller coaster of everything, finally gets to a plateau of, okay, theek hai. Now I need to look at myself. पहले खुद से खुश हो जाऊं. फिर I can, someone can only love you as much as you love yourself. So that's where she is.
Correct. And okay, tell me about the whole experience of working with your co-stars, and of course the first day of set. So were you jittery, or were you very confident that I have manifested this and I'm going to really be good at it?
Actually, I didn't think I manifested it until this exact interview when you have asked me that. So no, shooting. So first day of set, I was so excited. I just wanted to start. It was my first day on a set as a lead, and मैंने script इतनी बार पढ़ी थी कि I think याद ही होगी थी मुझे, and I was just ready to go, and I didn't realize that I'm very used to being on camera. I'm just not used to having 40 people behind the camera watching me do whatever I'm doing. So then when I got on set, that was a little nerve-wracking, but that it very quickly faded away. You get used to it. And I mean, working with my co-stars was amazing. Sid was great. Ishan was great, and I had fantastic cast members and a great director, Priyanka, and even my DOP, Anixer. But yeah, there are certain parts where I just didn't expect. Like, for example, we did a 12-day straight night shoot schedule. I didn't see the sun for 12 days.
Okay.
बहुत depressing भी लगता था, because you finish work at like 5 a.m. and when you see the sun when you're coming home, it's just depressing. तो मैं हमेशा अपनी वो shades बंद कर देती थी. And we were shooting in a hotel, so I would just get up, makeup and hair would come into my room, get ready, go out, come back, eat, sleep. It was just, there are certain things I didn't expect, but उनमें भी मजा आ रहा था.
I'm sure. Okay, but you're also a dancer, but is it acting that you always wanted to do?
Yes, dancing will always be my first love, but मुझे हमेशा acting का शौक था.
Okay. And what is the kind of work जो आप चाह रही हैं should come your way, or a particular kind of role or a character that you really, really want to, portray?
I'm very greedy that way. मुझे बहुत कुछ करना है.
Okay.
I just love cinema, and I want to be a part of good content, characters I believe in, storylines I believe in. And yeah, I'm excited. There's just so much out there, so much opportunity. And I've been watching so much content, and I'm like, हाँ मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे वो भी करना है. Yeah, there's a lot of exciting characters out there.
Okay, so any project that very soon we're going to see you there?
There are things in the pipeline. I don't know. Let's see what you see me in next. Hopefully very soon though.
Okay, okay. We'll be looking forward to. And lastly, कोई message है जो आप अपने fans को and of course the viewers of Punjab Kesari आप देना चाहें?
Of course. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I am incredibly grateful. आप लोग मुझे बहुत प्यार दे रहे हैं, and I never really expected that much. And I'm still processing everything, but I really hope आपको web series पसंद आई, and I hope it brought a smile to your face. I know this past whole year, 2 years has just been crazy, and I hope you guys are all safe and you're sound and your family as well. And yeah.
All right. Thank you, Sonia, for this interview, and I wish you all the success for everything that you've desired, and all the roles that you said you're greedy about doing. So I hope there's a lot of work coming your way, and maybe next time for another project we are sitting and doing this interview. Maybe not virtually, but actually things go better, and face to face you're doing it. So all the very
best. Hopefully. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Same, your pleasure is all mine. Thank you.
Thank you.